Hey crafters, welcome back to my channel. Since I've gotten a lot of questions on my last Bleach shirt DIY, I wanted to do a sort of recap to hopefully answer those questions a little more clearly. Now, any dark colored shirt will work, but for this video I'm going to use black. You will need a printout of your design. A simple silhouette usually works best. You can find an image on Google or draw something freehand. I printed out this Eye of Horus design that I found. Now to create your stencil. You will need freezer paper that you can purchase at any grocery store or even on Amazon. It is not the same as parchment paper, and wax paper is coated on both sides, so neither of those will work for this. You will need to use freezer paper. Cut enough of the freezer paper to cover your image, then trace the image with a marker. Make sure the shiny side of the freezer paper is face down. Cut out your design. For this shirt, I wanted the eye to be black and for the bleach to be splattered around it. For a different way to create a bleached shirt, head on over to my cosplay channel for a related video there. I'll post the link in the description below. Once your image is cut out, decide where you want to place it on your shirt, being sure the shiny side is face down onto the shirt again, then carefully iron it on. The wax on the one side of the freezer paper will become an adhesive and keep your stencil in place. It will not ruin your shirt and easily peels off. Now, outside or in a place you're not afraid to spray bleach, like your bathroom, lay your shirt flat. In a spray bottle, mix equal parts bleach and water. You do not need a lot for this project, and I used whatever bleach I had on hand. There is nothing specific or special about it. As you can see, I placed a couple of Dollar Tree placemats inside the shirt. You can do this or place some cardboard inside to make sure the bleach doesn't seep through to the back. Test your spray bottle first, then holding it a short distance away from your shirt, spray a couple of times. Wait a minute and watch the bleach begin to work its magic. If it's not bleached enough to your liking, spray a couple more times, but do not oversaturate. If the freezer paper gets too wet, it will begin to lift up from the shirt and not leave a clean design. Let it sit for a couple minutes more and then peel off your stencil. You can either let it dry completely before washing or wash it right away. I've done it both ways and have had the same results. Wash the shirt in cold water by itself, then dry it normally. And then your bleached shirt is all done. Thank you so much for watching. If this tutorial was helpful, please hit that thumbs up or subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, feel free to follow me on social and leave comments below. See you next time!